Hello and welcome to Math Video 2. We have a question on area of triangle to solve, but this time around we are not to calculate the area, we are to find the height. Okay, come on, let's look at it. So we have this question from the National Common Entrance past questions. What is the height of a triangle whose area is 144 centimeters squared and base 16 centimeters? Area is 144 centimeters squared and base is 16 centimeters. And then we have to find the height. Alright, remember that to find the area of a triangle, the formula is half of the base, alright, times the height. That's the formula. Alright. And then if you say base is B and H is height, you can write that as BH. So let's say area is equals to the base times height divided by 2. Alright, that's half of base and height. So in this question we have to find the height. Okay, let's do a little bit of algebra here. Okay, you could just master the formula to find the height, but it's also good if you can find your way around. So if you want to change the subject, and then we have the height to be the subject of the formula, we first cross multiply. Let's change this to a linear equation. So 2 we multiply the area, and then 1 we multiply base times height. So let's do the cross multiplication. 1 times base and height will give you base and height equals 2 times area would be 2a, alright? Then we divide both sides by the base. Then we have base cancel base, yes. So the height of a triangle whose area is given will be 2 times the area divided by the base. 2 times area divided by the base. Alright, so that's the formula for calculating the height of a triangle whose area and base are given. So let me write it again here. So the height, by writing capital H, will be 2 times the area divided by the base. Alright, so this you can always remember. And the same thing, if you have to find the base, you have the area and the height. Or you're looking for the base, that will be 2 times the area divided by the height. Alright, have you seen that? 2 times the area divided by the height. Okay? So you can just go with that to calculate your base and then to calculate your height. So how did I come about this? Look at this point where we have base times height equals to 2a. If you want b to remain, we divide both sides by h, right? So then h would have taken h, and then we will have 2 times area over height. Okay? Alright. So now, in this question, we have to find the height. Okay, so that means we are going with this. Height equals 2 times area divided by the base. Okay? And I also told you that the base equals 2 times area divided by the height. Okay, so let's plot in our values and solve. Right? So we have area to be 144 centimeters squared. Alright, we should have the times, so please don't forget that. Okay, so we have 2 times the area all over the base, which is 16 centimeters. Alright? Okay. So at this point, you're free to use any method but one. Don't bother to multiply this. If you do, you're just making things bigger for yourself. Right? You could divide 16 and 144 by 16, then multiply your answer by 2. Or you could just use your division by cancellation. Just look at the common factor, something that can divide a number upstairs and also divide the number downstairs. So I could even start with these 2 because I know 2 can go in 2 and 2 can go in 16. So I have 2 in 2 as 1, and then 2 in 16 as 8. 2 in 16, 1, 2 in 16, 8. Alright? Then I know that 4 can go in 8, and 4 can go in 144, right? So 4 goes in 8 is 2, 4 in 14, because I know 4 in 1 is 0, and then to the next digit you have 14, and then 4 in 14 is 3, remainder 2, and 4 in 24 is 6. So I'm left with 36 divided by 2. I know 2 can go in 36, but I will just have to rewrite that for clarity's sake. So centimeter squared divided by 2 centimeters. That's all I have left. Okay? Alright, so 2 in 36, 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1, and 2 in 16 is 8. And then centimeters squared divided by centimeters will be centimeters. So the answer is 18 centimeters. Alright, if you're not familiar with the short division I'm doing, please go and check our videos on division. Alright, very simple to understand. Okay, so any method you choose to use for your division, ensure it's something that would get your work done as fast as possible. That's if you're writing an exam. Okay, right, but most importantly, you have to understand what you're doing. Okay, because it is this understanding that actually makes us mathematicians, not the formula, not the exams. Alright, so understand these things, then you'll be able to even apply them to real life problems. Alright, let's go over the video the question again. Alright, what is the height of a triangle whose area is 144 centimeters squared and base 16 centimeters? I told you that to calculate the height when the area and base are given, we have the formula height equals to 2 times area divided by base. And I also told you that if you are calculating for base, you have 2 times area divided by height. I tried to show you how to do that by changing the subject of the formula area equals to half times base times height. Right. So then take note of the formulas so you know which to apply when you are solving your problem. So we slot in area 2 times the area divided by base. Then we did the evaluation and got 18 centimeters. Right? So I hope you follow, and if you have any question, please ask and I will attend to all your questions. Thank you. Bye.